We're going to learn the top 5 English verbs in the present tense. Be. I am. I am. You are. You are. He is. He is. She is. She is. We are. We are. They are. They are. I am tall. I am tall. Am I tall? Am I tall? You are tall. You are tall. Are you tall? Are you tall? He is tall. He is tall. Is he tall? Is he tall? She is tall. She is tall. Is she tall? Is she tall? They are tall. They are tall. Are they tall? Are they tall? Bob is short. Bob is short. Is Bob short? Is Bob short? I am 5 years old. I am 5 years old. I am 5. I am 5. She is 6 years old. She is 6 years old. She is 6. She is 6. You are 10 years old. You are 10 years old. You are 10. You are 10. We are 20 years old. We are 20 years old. We are 20. We are 20. How old are you? How old are you? I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. I am 10. I am 10. How old is Bob? How old is Bob? Bob is 30 years old. Bob is 30 years old. Bob is 30. Bob is 30. He is 30. He is 30. How old is Anne? How old is Anne? Anne is 6 years old. Anne is 6 years old. Anne is 6. Anne is 6. She is 6. She is 6. How old are they? How old are they? They are 3 years old. They are 3 years old. They are 3. They are 3. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. We are. We're. They are. They're. I am a woman. I am a woman. I'm a woman. I'm a woman. You are a man. You are a man. You're a man. You're a man. He is a man. He is a man. He's a man. He's a man. She is a woman. She is a woman. She's a woman. She's a woman. We are thin. We are thin. We're thin. We're thin. They are fat. They are fat. They're fat. They're fat. I am tall, but you are short. I am tall, but you are short. She is fat, but he is thin. She is fat, but he is thin. They are old. They are old. She is young. She is young. I am 100. I'm old. I'm 100. I'm old. You are 2. You're young. You are 2. You're young. He is 95. He's old. He is 95. He's old. She's 3. She is young. She's 3. She is young. Do. I do. You do. He does. She does. We do. They do. I do my work. I do my work. Do I do my work? Do I do my work? Yes, I do my work. Yes, I do my work. No, I do not do my work. No, I do not do my work. You do your work. You do your work. Do you do your work? Do you do your work? Yes, you do your work. Yes, you do your work. No, you do not do your work. No, you do not do your work. He does his work. He does his work. Does he do his work? Does he do his work? Yes, he does his work. Yes, he does his work. No, he does not do his work. No, he does not do his work. She does her work. She does her work. Does she do her work? Does she do her work? Yes, she does her work. Yes, she does her work. No, she does not do her work. No, she does not do her work. We do our work. We do our work. Do we do our work? Do we do our work? Yes, we do our work. Yes, we do our work. No, we do not do our work. No, we do not do our work. They do their work. They do their work. Do they do their work? Do they do their work? Yes, they do their work. Yes, they do their work. No, they do not do their work. No, they do not do their work. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. I do not work. I do not work. I don't work. I don't work. You do not work. You do not work. You don't work. You don't work. We do not work. We do not work. We don't work. We don't work. They do not work. They do not work. They don't work. They don't work. He does not work. He does not work. He doesn't work. He doesn't work. She does not work. She does not work. She doesn't work. She doesn't work. Have. I have. You have. He has. She has. We have. They have. I have a cat. I have a cat. Do I have a cat? Do I have a cat? You have a dog. You have a dog. Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? He has a cat. He has a cat. Does he have a cat? Does he have a cat? She has a dog. She has a dog. Does she have a dog? Does she have a dog? They have a car. They have a car. Do they have a car? Do they have a car? We have a car. We have a car. Do we have a car? Do we have a car? I have a pig. I have a pig. I do not have a pig. I do not have a pig. You have a pig. You have a pig. You do not have a pig. You do not have a pig. We have a car. We have a car. We do not have a car. We do not have a car. They have a book. They have a book. They do not have a book. They do not have a book. Do you have a cat? Do you have a cat? Yes, I have a cat. Yes, I have a cat. Do you have a dog? Do you have a dog? No, I do not have a dog. No, I do not have a dog. Does she have a car? Does she have a car? Yes, she has a car. Yes, she has a car. Does he have a car? Does he have a car? No, he does not have a car. No, he does not have a car. He does not have a horse. He does not have a horse. He doesn't have a horse. He doesn't have a horse. She does not have a book. She does not have a book. She doesn't have a book. She doesn't have a book. I do not have a pig. I do not have a pig. I don't have a pig. I don't have a pig. They do not have a book. They do not have a book. They don't have a book. They don't have a book. Go. I go. You go. He goes. She goes. We go. They go. I go to school. I go to school. I don't go to work. I don't go to work. You go to school. You go to school. You don't go to work. You don't go to work. They go to the store. They go to the store. They do not go to work. They do not go to work. They don't go to work. They don't go to work. We go to school. We go to school. We do not go to work. We do not go to work. We don't go to work. We don't go to work. She does not go to the store. She does not go to the store. She doesn't go to the store. She doesn't go to the store. He does not go to school. He does not go to school. He doesn't go to school. He doesn't go to school. He goes to work. He goes to work. He doesn't go to school. He doesn't go to school. She goes to the store. She goes to the store. She doesn't go to work. She doesn't go to work. I go to the store. I go to the store. I go to school. I go to school. I go to bed. I go to bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I go to work. I go to work. You go to the store. You go to the store. We go to school. We go to school. You go to bed. You go to bed. We go to the bathroom. We go to the bathroom. You go to work. You go to work. He goes to the store. He goes to the store. She goes to school. She goes to school. They go to bed. They go to bed. She goes to the bathroom. She goes to the bathroom. He goes to work. He goes to work. Say. I say. You say. He says. She says. We say. They say. I say yes. I say yes. You say no. You say no. He says maybe. He says maybe. She says no. She says no. We say no. We say no. They say okay. They say okay. He says I have a dog. He says I have a dog. She says I have a cat. She says I have a cat. I say I don't have a car. I say I don't have a car. He says I have a car. He says I have a car. They say we have a dog. They say we have a dog. We say we don't have a pig. We say we don't have a pig. My mom says, do your work. My mom says, do your work. My dad says, I have a pen. My dad says, I have a pen. I say, I don't have a book. I say, I don't have a book. She says, he has a pencil. She says, he has a pencil.